Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use the contact feature. What are the use cases of the contact feature? Let's say provided for an example, you created an app and you want a way where your users can reach you by contacting you through your email or social media or phone number, name it. You can use this feature to accomplish this. However, the contact feature is only available on the paid plan. So if you're using a free plan, you may not have access to this feature until you upgrade. So how do we use this feature? I'll be teaching you in this tutorial. So let's get started. You can use this search here to search for contact, of course, or just look for it here. So I'm going to click here because this is the particular feature I want to work on, contact. So I'm going to click on it. Alright, I'm going to name it contact us. I'm going to change this icon because I definitely do not want that one. I'm going to look for a new icon like this. This looks like contact. So you can also download your own personal icon and add an icon here and upload whatever icon that you downloaded from the net. But I'll just use an icon from the platform, and I've chosen this blue one. Okay, here subtitle is not necessary. So here is a little bit of design. I'll leave it a card because I want the card design. Here I will add a cover image. I'm going to add this as my cover image. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to name this as contact Swiftspeed app creator. I'm going to add an address. This is our address, 7 Bell Yard. I'm going to click on display location because I want the location to appear here. You are going to see these things that I'm filling here when I click on see changes, but I want to just complete the form first. So I'm going to write a description like contact us if you have any issue with the app. So here it asks me for my phone number, so I'm going to enter my phone number here. Here it asks for email. I'm going to enter the email address. So the email address you enter here is where the response will be sent to. So when user completes the form that will be present here by the time I click save, this is the email that it will be sent to. You can also add your website. I'm going to use example like google.com. You can add your Facebook. You can add your Facebook page. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it here, and you can add your Twitter as well. You can add your Twitter. This is our Facebook. You can add your Twitter. I'm going to copy. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click on save. Oh, sure, you can see. So here, then basically I've just completed the contact option. So the title says contact Swiftspeed app creator. Then our address is appearing here. Then contact us if you have any issues with the app. The descriptions that I enter here, they can use the phone. They can try to locate you via map. Then they can send an email to have to complete this form, and then you will get a copy of their responses in this particular email. And then they can click this button to go to your website. They can click this button to go to your Facebook, or click this one to go to your Twitter. So that is it. You set up the contact feature. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So you can generate your APK by clicking on download your app, scroll down and click generate APK or generate iOS source code. So after this, it is if you want, When you make changes like this to your app, you necessarily do not have to submit an update. It automatically appears in your app. But when you change, for example, your app name or your app icon, you would have to do a resubmission to the various store that your app is published on. Let's say, for example, the Google Play and the App Store. To have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.